In today's episode of Cooking for Your Kidneys, we're going to create two recipes. The first is a variation of my applesauce recipe where we're going to add some pears. And the second is an apple and pear tea where we're going to use the leftover parts from the applesauce recipe to make this bright and refreshing tea recipe. Now, the rind of the lemon and the skin from the fruit have a great deal of nutrition and flavor. So by boiling them just for a few minutes, we can create this nutritious and delicious tea recipe. Hope you enjoy. To make our apple tea, we're going to add all the peels and cores along with the rest of the lemon juice and some aromatics. We have some cinnamon stick and some clove. Now, we're going to add water. I use about 6 cups in here. You could add a little more and boil it a little longer if you like. Keep in mind that the lemon peels are going to add a little bit of bitterness to this, just like a tea. You could keep it out and just give those peels a twist to add the oils. Once the tea is done, all we need to do is strain out the solids. We can serve this tea hot, we can refrigerate it, serve it cold, we can even add it to things like soda water to add some flavorings. It's delicious. Now all I need to do is put it into some kind of container to store it. It will have a little pulp in there, so if you're not comfortable with that, strain it through a cheesecloth and you can get rid of a lot of it and it'll come out pretty clear. Either way, it's delicious.